guys, so today we're putting on the new exhaust piece for the Z. It is a Motordyne XYZ pipe. I got it for a great deal, so wasn't planning on getting it. I was originally just going to get a resonated Y pipe, like different style, but this will work as well, so hopefully it's going to clean up the Tomei sound. Of course, I'll have some before and after clips. Side note, right now I'm heading to the Lamborghini Festival. I was already planning on going to this, and they had a raffle where you just tag people. Or no, they had a raffle where you just repost their story on Instagram and tag 3 people, and I did that, and I actually won. So I'm already heading there now to go. I'm heading there now. I actually get a free shirt. I mean, that's pretty cool. It says a XX, which obviously that's not my size, so hopefully, they'll let me get a correct size. I mean, either way, I'll still take it. It's still cool that I won it. I wasn't expecting to win it. So we're gonna head there now, and I'll film some of the cars for you guys, and then after that, we will be putting the exhaust on the Z and cleaning the Z up, and then I'll get some sound clips for you guys. So we got the new Y pipe. It is the Motordyne XYZ pipe, or Y pipe, whatever you want to call it, and we got new bolts, gaskets, so hopefully this will make it sound a little bit better to clean up the Tomei sound. We're going to drive it up on the ramps, and hopefully it'll be a simple install. I think I got it. Huh. There we go. Alright, so we got the old one out. This one's been on for like 3 years on both Z's. You can see the difference. No resonators. This one's got one big resonator, so should make a difference, hopefully. Alright, it's finally on. Hopefully no leaks, but you feel anything? So we got the exhaust on, and we're gonna go take it on a little test ride. Probably make a different video just for the exhaust alone, but we'll get some clips of it in here. VQ anymore.
Not your average VQ.
Yeah. Definitely sounds a lot better. A lot more clear. We'll get some outside videos probably for the next video and comparing it to the old setup. Yeah guys, the Z sounds like so much better. Like, it makes me like proud to have it, or it makes me more proud to have it because it's like a proper sounding like VQ. Like, you rarely hear VQs that like sound right because everyone does like non-resonated test pipes, non-resonated Y pipe, and then like they're just resonator muffler. So usually you have like 2 resonators, but now I have 5 resonators on this thing. Or no, not 5, 4 resonators on it. So I'm very surprised how well that Motordyne Y pipe or XYZ pipe, whatever it's called, cleared it up. Car definitely sounds a lot better. I'll put some before and after clips in, and then I'll get some outside footage. That'll be a separate video for you guys. But overall, even just inside the car, a noticeable difference immediately. And then on the outside, I haven't got to hear on the outside yet, but even from that small clip, I can tell it's a lot better. So I'm gonna keep the windows up real quick, and you guys can be able to hear it with these downshifts. Clearer on the inside. Well, as you guys can see, there's basically no drone. The road now is louder than the actual exhaust when cruising, which is perfect. So literally have best of both without any valves. The Tomei's loud when I want it to be loud, and if I just want to cruise like this, it's quiet. It's just the road noise now. You can barely hear like the Tomei. You have to listen for it basically. You just hear like a like barely, and you have to be listening for it. But I just hear road noise mainly. So before I could definitely hear the Tomei, but I got used to it. But yeah, crazy how much of a difference the Motordyne made. So I can't even imagine if I had Motordyne ARP pipes. I mean, I still have the ISR resonated test pipes, but they've been on for so long. So the material for it's probably like shot out a little bit. So this exhaust could sound better, but I'm pretty happy with how it sounds right now. Honestly, it doesn't even sound like a VQ that much anymore. Still got that trumpet sound now that it's like kind of deep again. But no, I love how it sounds, and I'll definitely make another video for you guys getting some outside clips for it. What did you guys think about the exhaust, and did you think just changing a Y pipe would make that much of a difference? Because I didn't think it'd make that much of a difference, to be honest, even though those are resonator. Let me know your exhaust setup, guys, and what do you think is the best sounding VQ combination you can do. Personally, I think hard pipes with a resonated Y pipe and a 350Z Tomei is probably the best setup. Or maybe one day we can try some long tube headers with this Y pipe, and then maybe it would sound even crazier, because then that rasp is going to come back, but it'll get rid of the trumpet sound because you'll be replacing the headers. So it'll be an interesting sound. Let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll see you guys later.